In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily convert your PDF files to Word format without using any software, and that's too completely free. The best part is you can do this using just your mobile phone. So let's jump straight into the video. First, open any browser and search for Seda. Then click on the first link that appears in the search results. You will see an interface like this. At the top, you will find the option All Tools. Now go to Convert from PDF section and you will see an option called PDF to Word. Click on it. Now click on Upload PDF file. Here you need to select your file, which one you want to convert, and open it. You will see two options here, Keep Layout and Optimize. I will click on Keep Layout to maintain the original look of PDF. If you select Optimize, this may adjust or slightly change the formatting. Once you click, the conversion process will start. It may take few seconds. After the file is converted, a download button will appear here. Just click on it. You will also get an option to rename the file before saving. I will save it and then open it to show you that it works perfectly in the Word. So that's how easily you can convert a PDF to Word without any software. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like the video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.